Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. In computers chapter 2, that is working in Windows 7 was going on. In this chapter I have given you exercises as homework, but few students could not understand and complete the exercises. So today we will do exercises. So let's get started. First of all, filling the blanks. First is Windows has simplified the task of dash in computer. As I told you, Windows has simplified the task of managing data in the computer. So the answer is managing data. Second is dash view displays each file and folder on a separate row along with details like date modified, size, author, etc. The answer is content view. In the content view we can see each file and folder in separate row, and it shows the details also like size, author, etc. The third is to replace double click setting of mouse with single click. Select dash option in control panel. See children, if we want to open a folder we have to double click on it, but in the setting of mouse, if we click on the folder option, then we can change this setting. Using only single click we can open the folder if we change the setting of mouse. So the right answer is folder here. Fourth question is, with numeric keypad in mouse mode, the dash key is used for diagonally left upward movement. See children, sometimes the mouse does not work with computer. कई बार हमारा mouse problem करता है, ठीक से work नहीं करता है. Then we can use the keyboard as a mouse. Keyboard को हम as a mouse use कर सकते हैं. उसका जो numeric keypad होता है वो as a mouse work करेगा. वो कैसे करेगा? We have to change the setting. We have to click on the start button, then all programs, then accessories, and then ease to access. In ease to access there is an option to change the setting of mouse. We can use the keyboard as the mouse. So when we apply that setting, then our numeric keypad works as a mouse. It becomes the mouse mode. So then at that time the home key is used for moving the mouse at diagonally left upward direction. So the right answer is home key. Now the fifth question is, dash is a state in which a computer shuts down to save power but first saves everything in the memory on hard disk. This I told you. So the right answer is hibernation. Now let's see state true or false. First is libraries is a kind of folders in Windows 7. As we know, library works as a folder. It has so many other folders like pictures, documents, music. So this is true. Second is date and time once stored in a computer cannot be changed. As we know, we can change the date and time using the control panel. So this is saying wrong. So this is false. Third is the sticky key features automatically deactivates itself if two keys are pressed together. Listen children, there is a sticky key feature given in Windows 7. Sometimes we have to press 2 or more keys on the keyboard. कई बार हमें कीबोर्ड पे 2 और 3 कीज़ एक साथ दबानी होती हैं, and that becomes a problematic thing for us. हम लोग नहीं दबा पाते हैं. We can use sticky key feature. So from where we have to start it, we have to click on start button, all programs, accessories, and then easy to access. In easy to access there is an option to make the keyboard easy for me, and we have to check turn on sticky keys. When we turn on the sticky key feature, then we don't need to press 2 keys together. We can press them one by one and it itself combine them together. So this feature is automatically deactivated if we press 2 keys together. So this is true. Now fourth question is, there are 3 panes in Windows Explorer. As we know, there are only 2 panes in Windows Explorer. So this is false. Fifth is, a small icon view is used to view the detailed information about files and folder. As we know, in a small icon only icons are shown, no detail is given. So this is false. Now let's see application based questions. First is, Ritu has to complete her assignment and submit it on next day. While typing, the keyboard of the computer system has stopped working. Suggest her alternate to complete the assignment. As we know, if our keyboard does not work, then we can use on screen keyboard, and that can be started from ease to access. If the mouse does not work, then also we have an option in ease to access, and if the keyboard does not work, then also we have an option in ease to access. Okay, so she can use on screen keyboard. This is the answer. Second is, Meenakshi has stored various files in her laptop. She wants to view all the files with detailed information including name, type, size and date modified. Suggest her the view format which would fulfill her requirement. The answer is she should use detail view. In detail view she can see all the details like type, size, name, etc. Okay. Now let's see MCQs. First is dash folder in Windows 7 allows you to organize your files in one place. As we know, library folder allows us to organize all our files at one place. So answer is library. Second is dash is a power saving state that allows a computer to quickly resume full power operation when you start working again. The answer is sleep mode. If we put the computer on sleep mode, then when we start working again, all the things comes again as we have left them. Okay. The third is dash is a system folder using which we can make changes in appearance setting of Windows. I have already told you that to change the settings we use control panel in Windows. So the right answer is control panel. Fourth is dash view displays files and folders as medium size icons along with the basic information as type and size. The right answer is tiles view. In tiles view we only see the basic information. Okay. So children, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.